Hello everyone! Let's revisit a classic recipe, but as a vegan cake. Tiramisu. It's a wonderfully creamy chocolate treat with a lovely coffee kick. Let's get baking. First, bake a vanilla cake. In the same springform pan or mold in which you plan to build your tiramisu, or in a sheet pan. Either way, you should end up with 2 round, thin slices of cake. Cut one of the rounds to be slightly smaller than the other. Melt some chocolate chips and use it to evenly coat one side of the larger cake slice. Let it dry and make the coffee soak. Simply brew some instant coffee with an extra scoop of coffee and add in some sugar and vanilla extract. Stir until the sugar dissolves and let cool. Next, make the tiramisu filling by placing all of the ingredients, except the chocolate, in a blender or food processor. Blend it all up until smooth. If planning to use regular chocolate chips, let the mixture cool down after blending, then add them to the mix and pulse just enough to make them slightly smaller. If you're extra, like me, and plan to make and use chocolate shavings, gently fold them into the cooled down mix in a bowl. Now, let's build the tiramisu. First, place the chocolate-coated side of the cake down. Brush it with some of the coffee soak. Then, add about 2/3 of the filling. Shake it to smooth it out and let it set in the fridge for about 10 minutes. Add the smaller cake slice on top and brush again with the coffee soak. Pour the rest of the filling on top and smooth it out. Place your tiramisu in the fridge to set for at least 6 hours, but ideally overnight. Before unmolding, top your tiramisu with some sifted cocoa powder. Pop it out. It's very delicate, so be gentle. Then serve and enjoy. I make this every year for my boyfriend's birthday because he loves it so much, and I hope you do too. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more vegan baking recipes. Thank you for watching.